What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be announcing the next two knives that I'm going to be giving away on my channel. That's right, I'm going to be doing two. If you are new to my channel, you're new to the way that I do these giveaways, essentially what I do is I have a Patreon goal, and then once we meet that goal, I open up a giveaway to everybody. In the past, we've had 20, then 30, 40, 50, each one of those milestones I gave away a different knife. Well, this time I'm going to be giving away two knives. So do you have to become a patron to win one of the knives? No, you actually don't have to do anything. I would recommend subscribing and making sure your notifications are turned on so you know when that day comes, but you don't have to. Literally anybody can enter to win these knives the moment that I hit 85 patrons. If you'd like to help me reach that goal, however, there is a link down in the description to my Patreon where you can just have a look around and decide for yourself if you want to support me. That support would mean the world to me. A big shout out to all my current patrons. You guys know, I mean, we have a good time. Those of you who are current patrons, you know we do the once a week Patreon exclusive videos, and there's a lot of communication there. I really enjoy interacting with my patrons. If you'd like to go have a look around and kind of see what my Patreon's all about, there's a link in the description, and then if you'd like to support me, you can join any tier. The $1 tier and beyond, all of those tiers grant you access to the once a week Patreon exclusive video. The $3 tier will get you the 2x2 Metal Complex logo sticker, which is really cool. And then the $5 tier will actually get you my new sticker, which I'm really excited about. This is a nearly 4x4 inch metal night helmet sticker. The artwork was done by my good buddy Endure88 on Instagram. He's an awesome guy, and he's a local buddy. We've been friends for a long time. His art style kind of syncs up with the way that I like to do things on this channel, and he created this. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram at metal_complex, I released an image of this and just how happy I was with it. It's so cool. This sort of dark blue and black and gray aggressive looking helmet, and it's got that cool honeycomb pattern in there, and then that shadowed out MC in there. Really awesome. By the way, if you do join the $5 tier, you'll actually get both stickers. There are higher tiers. You can join those of your own free will. As of right now, I don't have any bonuses other than the stickers. But I just wanted to kind of let everybody know, what you'd be getting if you join my Patreon. Okay, so the new goal is 85 patrons. We're currently at 72, 73, so we're not that far off. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 85, these two knives I'm about to reveal, and then I'm going to be doing a really big giveaway once we hit the 100 patron mark. But we'll worry about that later. So first up, this is a knife that was donated to the channel by my good buddy Spirited Whiskey. Awesome guy. He's been providing a lot of knives for content, lending me stuff for content, but he actually donated this. Perfect condition, Giant Mouse Clyde. Really cool little knife. This has got some brown canvas micarta, a Persian style blade, some orange studs, some orange accents, a wire clip, and of course LMAX steel. This is an awesome little lightweight liner lock EDC knife. Really cool, really different. About $150 value, so that was really cool. Thank you, Spirited Whiskey, for donating that. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are excited about that one. Next up, we've got one that's a little bit bigger. Another knife that was donated by somebody who has done a lot for this channel, and that's Shaker MT. A very generous patron. He also donated the lighting. Really cool guy. Some of you are going to remember this. I've reviewed it on the channel before. This is the Mazarine Nimrod in M390 and carbon fiber, a big robust lockback made in Italy. You can see there Nimrod and M390 there on the front. About a $200 value on this knife. So this is one of the larger giveaways that I've done. I hope you guys are excited about these knives. I think these are awesome. I think they, are kind of, we've got a big one and we've got a small one. We've got some micarta, some carbon fiber, two different types of steels. I figured this might sort of cater to a wide range of different people, So like I said, if you want to support me on Patreon, you can, and help me reach that goal so that we can give these knives away. If you want to support me by clicking on links in the descriptions of my videos for products that I've reviewed or talked about, you can support me that way. But if you don't want to do that, or you can't do that, you literally can just keep watching my videos. That is a form of support in and of itself, and I am, again, infinitely appreciative of everyone who interacts with this channel, no matter what way you do it. I just want to say thank you to everybody. We recently passed over 6,000 subs, and that happened in like a month. From 5,000 to 6,000 happened in like a month, so that was really cool. Welcome to all new people, and thank you to all of my viewers, whether you subscribed a month ago or a year and a half ago when I started. This has been a blast. I'm really excited, and yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, guys. There's a lot of fun stuff coming this weekend. We've got some cool top 10 stuff tomorrow, and of course we've got Quest for the Perfect Budget Knife and the Knife Guy also this weekend. I've got some really exciting stuff coming next week, just a sort of EDC starter pack that I'm putting together. I'm excited to show you guys, but anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, or you're excited about it, or if you have any sort of positive feeling in your system at all, give this video a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because like I said, there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.